Okay, I cut the second layer off of this door, eh?
Yeah.
Because what they done is they put this new patch right over top of the old one. So it's cut off now. I'm gonna drill and put the hinge on, and we're gonna put it in there and get that done, and then the power steering.
Okay, so that's just junk then?
This is junk.
Okay.
You can go back there in case they want to make a sign or something.
Okay. So we're going to do this here today?
Yeah.
Okay. So I just got in here with the vacuum, and there was screws and bolts and nuts and washers, batteries, there was socket ends, there was all sorts of crap in here. So just cleaned it up a little bit, and Dad's going to put the door on here right away. Dad's just putting on the hinge here. Got everything vice grip down. So Dad's just getting the burrs out, and before he does the door. So Dad's put a hinge on here. Do you need me to hold the door or anything like that?
Yeah,
or
yeah.
Okay, hold on. So Dad's just put it in a couple rivets here just to get it started, and then we're going to straighten out the door and put on the other hinges. Dad just had to do a little bit of extra grinding to make this fit. So we got the door back on, but Dad doesn't like his work here. He wants to put in bigger rivets. He doesn't like the smaller rivets that he put in on top. And so he's got that bent into place. It's all fitting. He's got to cut the bottom off of that right there. And then he's got this here that he installs on the side here, and it all pops back into place. Of course, the previous owner body puttied everything, so as we're working, some of the flecks of paints are coming off, so Dad's gonna have to grind that down to make it look prettier. But that is where we're at, and Dad wants to go home for supper, so we're calling it a day.
They put a sheet iron right over top of the old one and then welded it here. So I gotta cut this off.
Okay.
Because I have to put a chunk in behind here for this door to sit on, eh?
Okay.
So it's flush.
Yeah.
So I gotta bend this, get more of a curl in it, and cut this off so I can get a backup bar in behind here.
Okay.
Tomorrow I'll pull the steering out and get the power steering set in, and
Go from there.
that's it for.
Okay, so Dad worked a little bit on this Bombardier here today, but he had to go to the lake to go help a friend move some steel beams around. Dad's going to keep bending that front door panel for the access panel for the Bombardiers, and he's going to install the power steering here for we just got new power steering in for this Bombardier. And then the next project is likely get this up on blocks, take off the tracks, and then cut out the belly pan, because it's rotten right through and it actually doesn't go all the way to the end. So there's going to be lots of work here coming up on this Bombardier, and so stay tuned. like, comment, subscribe.